Discipline is the foundation of any warrior, and cultivating it requires a system that blends mental focus, physical endurance, and spiritual awareness. The Ninpo system, an ancient martial art philosophy, is uniquely suited to develop this level of discipline because it does not only train the body but also sharpens the mind and hones the spirit. Building warrior discipline in 100 days is entirely possible if approached with consistency, intention, and a structured plan. The journey begins with understanding that discipline is not punishment but a conscious commitment to self-improvement. Day 1 starts with establishing a routine, waking up early, performing basic physical exercises, and dedicating at least 30 minutes to meditation. This initial step reinforces mental clarity and sets the tone for the self-control required throughout the journey. Physical training in Ninpo emphasizes agility, strength, and endurance. Daily exercises such as push-ups, squats, and core workouts build the foundational strength, while practicing martial techniques like strikes, blocks, and forms enhances coordination and reflexes. Each day, increasing the intensity or duration slightly ensures continuous growth. The body becomes conditioned to respond under pressure, mirroring the challenges faced in real-life situations. Equally important is the mental aspect of discipline. In the Ninpo system, the mind is trained through meditation, visualization, and controlled breathing techniques. Meditation helps to center the mind, reduce distractions, and enhance focus, while visualization allows one to mentally rehearse techniques, strategies, and responses to potential challenges. Controlled breathing, or ki breathing, strengthens internal energy and maintains calmness under stress. Allocating dedicated time each day for these practices reinforces mental resilience and sharpens decision-making capabilities. The spiritual component of Ninpo emphasizes integrity, respect, and the pursuit of mastery. Following a strict ethical code, showing respect to mentors and peers, and maintaining honesty in practice and in life fosters an inner sense of discipline that cannot be achieved through physical training alone. Journaling, reflections, setting goals, and reviewing progress daily instills accountability, ensuring that personal growth is tracked and sustained. Nutrition and rest play a crucial role in this 100-day transformation. A disciplined warrior maintains a balanced diet, rich in proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to fuel rigorous training, while ensuring adequate hydration. Sleep is treated as sacred, recognizing that recovery is integral to both physical and mental development. Over the first 30 days, the focus should be on building consistency, mastering basic movements, and establishing meditation and breathing routines. By the end of this phase, early signs of improved focus, increased strength, and mental clarity will become evident. The next 30 days shift towards refining techniques, enhancing agility, and deepening meditative practice. Introducing sparring sessions, controlled stress scenarios, or partner drills allows one to apply learned techniques practically, testing both reflexes and emotional regulation. Simultaneously, advanced breathing exercises and extended meditation sessions strengthen resilience, focus, and control over impulses. The final 40 days are dedicated to integrating all aspects into a harmonious system where body, mind, and spirit operate in alignment. At this stage, training intensity peaks, with complex techniques, endurance drills, and situational simulations challenging the warrior to remain composed under pressure. Mind training advances to include dynamic visualization, where one anticipates and adapts to unpredictable situations, cultivating both strategic thinking and emotional balance. Spiritual practice matures into embodying the principles of Ninpo in daily life, demonstrating patience, humility, and unwavering commitment. Throughout the 100 days, self-assessment is critical. Daily reflection, either through journaling or mindful contemplation, helps identify weaknesses, reinforce strengths, and recalibrate goals. This feedback loop ensures that discipline is not superficial but deeply ingrained, forming habits that endure beyond the 100 days. Challenges are inevitable. Fatigue, doubt, and distraction test resolve. Yet, These are precisely the moments that build warrior discipline, embracing discomfort, pushing beyond limits, and maintaining adherence to the Ninpo system solidifies resilience. By the conclusion of the 100-day journey, the individual emerges transformed. The body exhibits strength, flexibility, and endurance. The mind demonstrates focus, clarity, and strategic thinking. The spirit embodies integrity, patience, and balance. The Ninpo system has not merely imparted martial skills, but cultivated an enduring warrior discipline that informs every action, decision, and interaction. The process reinforces that discipline is a holistic practice requiring consistent effort, self-awareness, and adherence to a structured path. The journey does not end at day 100. Rather, it serves as a foundation upon which lifelong mastery, personal growth, and resilience are built. Maintaining progress involves continuing daily practices, seeking new challenges, refining skills, and integrating ethical principles into every aspect of life. Ultimately, building warrior discipline through the Ninpo system is a transformative endeavor that strengthens body, sharpens mind, and uplifts spirit, providing the tools necessary to navigate life's challenges with courage, clarity, and composure. Consistency, patience, and deliberate practice are the keys. And in 100 days, the commitment to this system shapes not only a disciplined warrior, but a balanced and resilient individual prepared for any challenge.